You travel a lot, for sure. You're all the time on different places as a cyclist, but coming to Slovenia, it always feels nice, feels like home. Especially, it's a beautiful country.
15. Slovenije Primož Roglič.
We are a nation of really good, all kind of sportsmen. We have really a lot of good athletes. They do like a ceremony every time that normally I achieve some good results on the bridge that is going towards my village. Always just beautiful to have support, especially from the closest one or your neighbors, friends. Of course, you are proud. It's the country that you are from. I'm just proud Slovenian.